Hey folks, Tracy here. In this video I'm going to share my morning routine hot drink that I've been having lately. The first thing I do in the morning is drink a glass of water, and I just happen to be taking a couple different Chinese herb formulas. This one I get from Nature's Sunshine. It's like a good heart, lung, chi tonic. And then I do take a couple triphala. Sometimes I have the powder around. Actually, I do have the powder around the banyan. It's pretty bitter and sour, I should say, so I don't always like it, but I do use that too. Anyway, this hot drink is kind of inspired by a Chinese remedy, and it is generally used for helping keep the bowels moving. So if you have constipation or dry bowels, and you're using about a teaspoon or up to a tablespoon, maybe is the actual remedy, of ground almond and ground sesame seed, and you want to add hot water and honey. That's the classic remedy, and drink that before bed. I've changed it up, and this is what I do in the morning instead. So I have a whole variety of ingredients here, and you don't have to use all of them. This is just what I've come to really enjoy, and I don't use all of them at once anyway myself, but I do add about a teaspoon or so of ground chia seeds, and I grind them first. A teaspoon of ground black sesame seed, and actually I have this other Chinese packet I've found at a local Chinese, a local Asian market that does have the black sesame seeds in it. So I would not really need to do both. The packet also has mountain yam, which is a great tonic for women, especially Shanyao. Anyway, I will also add sometimes the powdered slippery elm, and then about a teaspoon of roasted chicory, instant chicory. You can get the chicory in the Caffix or this instant dandy blend or whatever you like. And I just really love the flavor of all that combined with a teaspoon of the blackstrap molasses and the shoyu. The sweet, salty, and the slightly bitter flavor of all of it just tastes really good to me. But you can add creamer if you want. I don't always. And actually, when I do this, when I have this drink and then I go sit and meditate and then possibly do yoga, especially with some twist poses, it really just helps get everything moving. And the blackstrap molasses and shoyu are both also, I think, very beneficial. The shoyu has got the live beneficial enzymes, and I think that salty flavor also is really helping produce stomach acid and is good for many reasons, as well as the blackstrap molasses and the black sesame seeds are also used as remedies for helping keep your hair black, which actually just means preventing it from turning gray. So that's my morning remedy. I really enjoy it. So I add the hot water, stir it up. If I feel like I want creamer, I add it. Honestly, if you're someone that really likes coffee in the morning, you might like this instead. Or if you want, just add a little small amount of instant decaf or regular coffee or a mushroom coffee, and that could be all used in combination together. I think that's it. I would have recorded myself talking while making the drink, but Don was meditating and I didn't want to interrupt him. I'm spending my meditation time making these videos this morning for you. So anyway, I just got to get running because we have to also shovel a little bit before we head out for the day. So I hope that you enjoy this hot beverage and make some kind of combination using it. Oh, by the way, the nuts and seeds, the oiliness is just really good for lubrication. And so you're getting omega-3s and a lot of actually healthy, beneficial things by having this little hot drink. Anyway, just very soothing and warming, especially this time of year. So I hope you enjoy it. If you try to make it, let me know. If you have a different type of favorite hot beverage to have in the morning, let me know that as well. And I'll see you in the next video.